Hello everyone. Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of the BRBL subject in the English medium language. So, those students who just want to crack this exam in a single and a first attempt, do not forget to enroll in the batch which is already going on, in which one subject is going on. So, if you want to enroll in this batch, you simply use the code Y391 for the maximum discount up to 81%. This session is very much important for the examination point of view. Okay, so we are doing module C, right? Let's start with the module C. This is your batch which I was talking about, resolution batch. Okay, this is the resolution batch which is already started. In this batch, you will get the live classes plus recorded session, okay, etc. Recorded session and this one, the mock paper, ebooks, etc. for the examination center. Okay, so now let's start with the session. So same act, yesterday also we have done the questions of Recovery of Debt and Bankruptcy Act, and today also we will do the question. Okay, now number one question. Where an appeal is preferred by any person from whom the amount of debt is due to the bank and financial institution or a consortium of bank or financial institution. Such appeal shall not be entertained by appellate tribunal unless a person has deposited what percentage of amount that is determined by section 19. So at least you can just learn section 19 also. So tell me class, this is your DRT. Okay, and this is DRAT. So what percentage of amount they will have to pay? Tell me class. Anji class. What is the right answer here? Tell me. What percentage of amount we have to pay? This is very good question and very important question. Very good and important question is it? Yes, class. What is the right answer? How much percentage of amount they have to pay? How much? If we talk about the MSME, so in MSME, the amount is your 75% if we want to appeal. Okay. And then if we go through the Consumer Protection Act, same 50% is there. And now in DRAT, what is the particular thing? So class here, at this point, the 50% will be the right answer. Okay, 50%, this is the right answer in which we have to, okay, 50%. So this is the exact particular cost. Is that okay? So at least you have to remember these things. The proceeding of the tribunal shall be conducted in the English English or Hindi, or any regional language? What is the right answer? The proceeding of the traveler shall be conducted in Hindi, English, English or Hindi, or any regional language. What is the right answer? In which language the proceeding of the tribunal DRAT will be conducted? So at this point, the proceeding of the tribunal shall be conducted in the English or Hindi. This will be the right answer for this question. C will be the right answer. Okay, next. The application made to tribunal shall be subject to the provision of IPC, CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, POCSO. First of all, we have to understand that what exactly this means. IPC, this is a law book in which the definition is given and its punishment is given. Definition and the punishment is given in IPC. Okay, the definition of the offense and the punishment. See, this what is this? The short form is CRPC. CRPC, that is a criminal procedure code. So whatever the crime that has happened in the society, so what procedure the court have to follow, that is given in CRPC. Okay, criminal case just like murder, rape, theft, etc. This is called CPC. So CPC, both are all are national law that is made by the parliament. CPC is that law in which in the civil matter, okay, in the civil matter, what procedure they have to follow. That is called CPC. Is that okay? And then POCSO Act, that is a prevention of children from sexual offense act. Whatever the sexual offense that is happening to the children, so for the protection, this act is there. So these are the four acts that is given in this. Okay. So the application of tribunal subject to the provision of that is CPC, because in the banking matter also the matter is of civil case, not criminal case. So that's why for the third one, C will be the right answer. Okay, what is the right answer? C will be the right answer. Done? That's now how the interim or final order passed by tribunal or appellate tribunal shall be served on the party. Any interim or final order passed by tribunal or appellate tribunal shall be transmitted by electronic mail to the registered address of the parties to the proceeding shall be deemed to be served on such party. Any interim or final order passed by tribunal or appellate tribunal shall be displayed on the website on such tribunal or appellate tribunal shall be deemed to be the public notice. The order passed by tribunal or appellate tribunal shall be handed to the concerned part in the physical mode duly certified. Both A and B is correct. So which of the following is the correct one? If I talk about the interim, so interim means that is compensation. What is interim? Compensation. And the final order, that is the last order. That is called final order. So what is the right answer? What is the right answer for this question? Aji class, what is the right answer? For this question, the right answer is, that is D is the right answer. Okay, now, who is the adjudicating authority for exercising the power under insolvency and bankruptcy. Who is the adjudicating authority? High Court, District Court, DRAT, DRT. Who is the adjudicating authority for exercising the power under insolvency and bankruptcy court? High Court, District Court, Appellate Tribunal, or DRT? The right answer is fifth one. The right answer is that is adjudicating tribunal. This is the right answer. Okay, tribunal is the right answer. Now, debt include any liability toward debt security which remains unpaid in the full and the part after the notice of dash serve upon the borrower by the debenture trustee or any other authority in whose favor security interest is created for the benefit of this. It is 180 days, 90 days, 60 days, or 30 days. What is the right answer? Debt include any liability toward debt security which remains unpaid in the full or part after the notice of dash serve upon the borrower. So the notice of what? Notice of 60 days will be given to the borrower. So this is the right answer. Okay, 60 days. The presiding officer of tribunal shall hold office for a term from the date on which he enter upon office and shall be eligible for reappointment. So what is the term of presiding officer? The term of presiding officer is, I think that is very easy one. The term will be class, that is 5 years. B is the right answer. Next. No person shall hold office as presiding officer of tribunal after he has attained the age of 65 year, 62 year, 60 year, or 58 year. This is very important question. These are very, very much important. So for this one, the right answer is 65. A is the right answer. Okay. It's a DRAT shall consist of one person only. Okay. That is a chairperson appointed by notification by state government, central government, high court, or supreme court. It means who appoint the chairperson. Who appoint the chairperson? So who appoint the chairperson? That is central. Okay, this is right answer. Okay. The chairperson of appellate tribunal shall hold office for a term from the date on which he enter upon his office, shall be eligible for reappointment also. So what is the right answer? 7 year, 5 year, 3 year, or 1 year? What is the right answer? The chairperson of appellate tribunal shall hold office for a term from the date on which he entered. The right answer is 5. Okay, next. No person shall hold office as a chairman after he has attained the age of, what is the right answer? 75, 70, 65, 69. The terms tenured, that is very important. What is the right answer? The right answer will be that is 70 years. So please remember, this is presiding officer, this is chairperson. Presiding officer 5 and 65, and that one 5 and 70. Okay? Now, what is property? Intangible asset. Intangible, that we cannot see and we cannot touch. Movable and immovable. Any debt, any right to receive payment of money, whether secured or unsecured, or all of the above. So what is property? So here, property is everything. D is the right answer. Okay? Now, a person shall not be qualified for appointed as a chairperson of appellate tribunal. It means now you have to remember the qualification of chairperson. Has been a member of Indian Legal Service and can hold a post in grade 1 of that service. Presiding officer at least 3 years and qualified as a judge of high court. Or all the options are correct. So what will be the qualification of the chairperson? That is very much important. The right answer will be all options are correct. Okay, next. For the purpose of exercise of general power of superintendence and control over tribunal, the chairperson may direct the tribunal to furnish information relating to the pending cases, the number of cases disposed of, and the number of new cases filed, and such other information as may be necessary. Convene meeting of presiding officer of tribunal periodically to review their performance. Surfacing, DRT, or all of the above. For the purpose of exercise of general power of superintendence and control over tribunal, the chairperson may direct the tribunal to furnish information relating to the pending cases, number of cases disposed of, and the number of new cases filed. So under which act that have a power? That is a DRT. Okay? Now, in how many days the defendant shall be present the written statement of his defense, including claim of set off and the counter claim of any. It means C class. Plaintiff is a person who filed the case, right? And defendant to whom we are filing the case. Done. So plaintiff, whenever the plaintiff files the case, okay, whenever the plaintiff files the case, so the opposite party have to give the reply. So that reply, within how many days the defendant have to give the reply? This is the question. Very good question. This is called written statement of the defense. That is called written statement. So the written statement always within the 30 days. So class, I hope so you people enjoy the questions because the questions are very much important. So this is your batch. Okay. So do not forget to enroll in the batch. The coupon is 5391 for the maximum discount. You can also take the particular elective batch for this the video course batches. You can enroll it here, and this is the CAIIB Mahapacks. TV is going on. TV is going on. Double validity. Okay. So do not forget to enroll in the Mahapack. In the Mahapack, you can see for admission, you can call here live classes for more than 500 hours. Structured course content for this. Case studies batches are there. Highly experienced faculties. Detailed subject expertise. Special exam focused batches. Recorded videos. Full book length. Ebooks. All the newsletters. So everything is included. Please apply the coupon code this month for the maximum discount. Okay, that's it. You can also download the Adda 24/7 app in which you will get the quizzes of all the subject. Okay, so if you want to solve the quiz, you can please download the Adda app through the. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.